Welcome to LSTM Public Higher Secondary School YouTube channel. Today we will study Class 6th NCERT Science Book Chapter 2 Components of Food. In this chapter we will study about food and the components that food has. Now, over years, man has developed different ways of obtaining food products from plants and animals. We use a variety of food to satisfy our appetite and keep us healthy. It also allows us to enjoy different flavors and types of food. Adequate knowledge of various components of food and the role played by them is very important to keep us healthy. Now, we should also learn about the functions of food. So few main functions of food are: it gives us energy to do work, it helps us in proper growth and development of our body, it gives us protection from diseases, it provides material of repair for damaged and worn out cells and tissues, it helps us to regulate vital body pressures and maintain our life. Okay, so now let's begin the chapter. Now, as we have read the chapter's name, it's components of food. So what do we understand by the word food? Food is a group of edible substances which provide energy to the living beings and repair the old tissues and build the new tissues. Now, components of food. There are many components in our food. Like, what are exactly, how can we define components? Components means the parts that are there in the food. So our food mainly has carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, fiber, vitamins and minerals. These 7 components of food are extremely important for our body. We often hear the word nutrients, like nutrients are very important and certain persons should take certain nutrients. Now what exactly do we understand by the word nutrients? These are organic or inorganic substances required for the survival of a living being. They include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Actually, nutrients are like complex mixtures of various food constituents. So the next is diet. Diet is the amount of food taken by a person at a time. We often hear the word called balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients and other components in a proper proportion is called a balanced diet. Next, energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. Deficiency diseases. The deficiency of one or more nutrients food for a long time may cause certain diseases. A disorder is known as a deficiency disease. Deficiency means shortage of something. So when there's a shortage of certain nutrients in our body, it is a deficiency disease. The next is malnutrition. If a person does not get adequate food, or if her diet does not contain all nutrients, she is malnutritioned. Classification of foods. Various food components are grouped in 3 classes. We know there are 7 food components. So these 7 food components are classified into 3 classes: energy giving food, body building food and protective foods. The energy giving food are carbohydrates and fats, the bodybuilding foods are proteins, and protective food are vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is one of the energy giving compound. Now, carbohydrates we obtain are in 3 forms. 3 forms are sugar, starch, cellulose. Sugars and starch are the most common ways we consume carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are the compounds made up of 3 elements: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The main carbohydrate found in our food are in form of glucose, other sugars and starch. Sources of carbohydrates. These include cereals such as wheat, maize, rice, jowar, bajra, potatoes, sugar, honey, bread, jaggery, sugarcane, etc. Now, functions of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates such as starch and sugar provide most of the energy to our body. It is the cheapest source of energy for the body. And also they are energy giving food. So they are a bit complex in as a food compound. On digestion they break down into glucose, which is absorbed by the blood flowing in our body to give us energy. Okay, so now test the experiment for starch or sugar present in a food item. Test for presence of starch. For this experiment, we will take a potato which we know contains starch. So we will add a few drops of weak iodine solution in a test tube containing potato or wheat flour. The occurrence of blue-black color shows the presence of starch. So as when we add the few drops of weak iodine solution to the potato surface, we'll see the color of the potato surface from where we have added iodine solution turns to blue-black. Now the second experiment is test for the presence of sugar. Add a few drops of Bendrit solution into a test tube containing crushed pieces of bananas, grapes or apple and heat it. The formation of red precipitate shows the presence of glucose sugar in the given food item. Okay, so the next important energy giving food component is fats. Fats provide much more energy than carbohydrates. Sources of fats are usually animal products or milk products. The functions of fat, they also provide energy. Fats give much more energy as compared to carbohydrates. But intake of excessive fat in our diet may lead to several health problems. The most common problem suffered by most of the people taking higher quantities of fat is obesity. Fats are classified into two varieties: saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Now, how do we untest for a substance that fats is present in it? So, wrap the food item in a piece of paper and crush it. Now straighten the paper's appearance of an oily patch through which light is faintly visible shows the presence of fat. Proteins. Proteins are bodybuilding food. They are needed for the repair of worn out cells and tissues of our body. Proteins. These are complex compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Sources of protein: whole cereals such as wheat, groundnuts, beans, pulses, fish eggs, meat, milk, cheese, etc. Functions of protein. Protein are needed for the growth and repair of the body. They are also called full bodybuilding food. Test of protein. Take some solution or a solution of mash of food items in a test tube. Add a few drops, 2 to 3 drops of solution of copper sulfate in test tube. Now add 10 drops of solution of caustic soda in this test tube. Now we see the solution gives a purple color. The appearance of violet color indicates presence of protein in the food item. Vitamins. Vitamins. They are a group of organic compounds essential for in small amounts for maintaining normal health and development. Functions. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. They also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. Mainly, there are six types of vitamins, where vitamin B has about 4 to 5 of its own types. So, let's name these vitamins. The first is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. There is also a fact about vitamins. Vitamins such as vitamin A, D, and E and K are fat soluble, whereas vitamin B complex such as vitamin B1, B6, B12, etc., and vitamin C are water soluble. Water. Water is a life sustaining component of food. Without water, we cannot live. Water is required to perform almost every function of our body. Now, what are the main essential functions of water? A major portion of our body is formed of water. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It is essential for most of the life processes our body functions. Water is also helps in throwing out some wastes from the body as urine and sweat. Sources of water. We drink water directly as well as we receive water from milk, tea, fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, etc. Minerals. We often hear people saying that I have a shortage of iron in my blood and stuff like that. Now, why are they saying the iron is less? What exactly do they mean by the word like iron is less in the body? Actually, these metals and non-metals for which these are actually inorganic compounds, and these inorganic compounds are required in our body in small quantities. These inorganic compounds are known as minerals. Functions. Minerals form a chief building material of structure of as bones and teeth. Each mineral is essential for proper growth of body and to obtain good health. Roughage. Roughage is also called dietary fiber. They consist of indigestible plant carbohydrates called cellulose present in plants. Sources: salad, vegetables, fresh fruits, whole grains, pulses, beans, etc. Functions: roughage is an essential component of our food and add to its bulk. Roughage or does not provide to our body. Roughage helps our body to get rid of undigested food and so helps in prevention of constipation. So this was part 1 of chapter 2 of class 6 science book components of food. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.